Hello, I'm going to help you to install Rootkit into Linux. Yeah. First, I do remote login from PuTTY into my Centos. So my Centos is there. My Centos is that IP address. So if at home, you can do directly on the Centos if you wish to. But in here, I do remotely into the Centos. It makes it easy for me for this capturing purpose only. Okay, first, you know what is the function of Rootkit already, and the website is there, rootkit.nl, okay? And then you navigate down to Rootkit Hunter, and then going down to download them somewhere here. There we go. Click on that download. Click on that download, and you see at the bottom there, have a look in here. And there is a link there, and click on that, they guide you the new link. And all I need now is I need a link so I can go to Linux. I download directly, okay, directly. I do not want go to download and upgrade. So to run Rootkit, install Rootkit, where to download them. Okay, click on this link, and then go into whatever they guide you to. Again, this is a good rootkit, not a bad one, right? And then right click in here. I'm going to copy the link. I copy the link there. So hopefully it will work on my rootkit download. I think that is my downloading the file from Mirror AI.net, whatever there. And then I do wget. So that's how I get the file in the text mode. I use wget. I think the files have been done, I hope. So in here, there is a rootkit, the old one already. Now I'm going to remove the old one. I'm going to remove the old rootkit first, right? I just remove the old rootkit. For the removing, I need to go in here, but actually you don't have to remove them if you have not installed. So you might skip this part, yeah. But anyway, I'll show you how to remove the rootkit anyway. Go to README. README and how to remove it. Installation file jack. Okay, remove. That's how you remove the rootkit, yeah? So you go back to install -L and remove it. So that's what you got to follow. So go back here, install, and then -- remove. So now the rootkit, the old rootkit have been removed, okay? So now I got to remove this folder as well. rf-rf, rootkit, 3, enter. So now the old rootkit is gone. That folder is gone, alright? That's the folder. It's been gone. Now I got to install this rootkit. Before you install, you have to unzip because this is a zip file. To unzip the tar, and that figure, you figure them out. ZVXF. Z for zip file, V for verbose, X for extract, F for forcing, which is no question, okay? So now I have a folder called Rootkit Hunter. Or you can remove this file now. If no need, remove them. Rootkit.4.tar, right? Bye-bye. You sure? Go ahead, say yes, bye. All right, now go into that folder, ls-l, see what I got. Now install, right? Example, you do not know what is the option to install. So go into list, file, and then capital R, tab, command rootkit. And then enter, space bar, have a look how to install. So now they're going to, by default, right, rootkit install. Can I just do that? Yeah? And I think down here they got more feature for you for installation, I think. So no more? So which option can I go? Can I just say rootkit install? Yes? Alright, so I'm going to do that. Rootkit, what is that? Install. Is that alright? They finish. Okay, now, how do I run? So go back to the file, readme there, it's telling you how to run. So we very much finished already. How to run. To run rootkit, simply the following command. Is that alright? Okay, I run two options. I think there is an option at the end as well. Okay, rootkit dash check, yeah? Run. Enter. See what they got. Now, so they keep run and run and run all the time until they find the rootkit. So there is a couple of rootkit. It takes time because we're on a virtual environment, but if it's on a real computer, we run a lot faster. So let's have a look on the left-hand side, one in there. So they check on your Linux file system. If your Linux file system had been modified using whatever purpose, and whoever hacked into your file and modified the executable file, then the one in there will tell you. And there is a log file at the end. So if it goes fast, don't worry. At the end, we have a log file. It's archived on the task for you. So there we go. Rootkit, that's the bad one. You can get on the net, search any of those, right? And they're telling you how to execute them. And there is the code on the net as well. On this code, all right, on this name. It's looking bad, right? Yeah, that's the rootkit look like. Not found. But if it is found, what you going to do? Take everything, back it up, format the system, because you do not know actually that a fake one or that have modified and that have been whatever they already, because some guy already modified. Example, the VS there. Yeah, example, this guy, that guy. You can check that SHV5 rootkit, what it does right after this, right? That one is really the danger one. And I have been infected one, the machine in not this in this country, in Asia country, that I have been infected. So you check it out, okay? I'll just show you that later. So that's how the rootkit runs. Okay, you keep enter, it run on the way. In the meantime, let me run. I come to the internet. I search for that Rootkit Hunter. They tell you what it is. Here. Can over. I have run rootkit nevertheless. So that is the rootkit. If you find any rootkit, you go down there, find out what it is, and they'll tell you how to remove it. But if you remove it, and normally you don't believe it because they already in your system. So my best advice, format the system, back up everything, format the system. Because in Linux, when they have the rootkit, normally they have your administrator, a root super user account. I mean privilege. Not necessary to have your password, but they have your privilege, so you can go anywhere and they can go anywhere they want to. So all I'm saying, if you have a rootkit in the future in Linux, Windows, your own PC, a Trojan backdoor, for the same backup stuff, format them, install from beginning again. All right, that's it for me. So at the end here, you may have a checklist. So under that file, see that? They even telling you that SSH allow for root, so you can stop them. And if you need it, I can show you how to stop the SSH for root access. Okay, it's really simple. So that's how they detect your system. How they detect your system. They're telling you what's wrong with the system. Okay, done. And if you have any issue, you can come to here, right? There we go. They save all the file there for you, all the bad and good stuff. They save everything in here, they archive everything here for you. and they're telling you what is it. Suspect 6, check-in, rootkit jack, application, and they will give you a full report of what your system look like. An example, the version of PHP here, of web server, not yet updated, they're telling you, right? Open SSH, there is an issue. PHP, get it, the issue. One in there, SSH, one in there. So anything go wrong with your system, they're telling you as well. So that how this good rootkit is for free. Alright, best of luck. Now you can do your own installation of rootkit. And welcome to rootkit. And next one, I might run this one for you, how to install this into Linux. And I might do a capture for it as well. Alright, bye for now.